In this video, we will look at the risks and possible rewards from arbitrage and debt funds so as to help you decide which will be a better investment for you. When comparing debt funds and arbitrage, understanding their risk profiles is very crucial. Debt funds, while generally are stable, are not immune to risks. Inflation risk is a concern because if inflation rises faster than the returns from a debt fund, your purchasing power naturally diminishes over time. Additionally, there's a risk of reinvestment which comes into play when bonds or instruments mature and the proceeds must be reinvested at lower interest rates, especially in a declining interest rate environment. Furthermore, while debt funds invest in relatively liquid instruments like government and corporate bonds, the bonds themselves can face liquidity issues, particularly in very turbulent markets. This is less pronounced for debt funds as they manage liquidity through diversified holdings. On the other hand, arbitrage funds present a different type of risk. These funds basically capitalize on price differences between the cash and the futures market, but market conditions must offer these opportunities. In times when the spreads between the cash and the future prices are narrow or non-existent, returns may diminish as arbitrage opportunities are not guaranteed. Additionally, the high expense ratio of arbitrage funds, driven by significant trading volumes and active management, can cut into returns. However, this expense can be offset in times of market volatility when the potential for profit increases. So, investors should consider portfolio diversification to balance these costs and mitigate any inconsistencies in performances that may occur. But when it comes to rewards, debt funds generally provide stable and predictable returns, and it's rare to incur significant losses unless faced with extreme credit events or sharp interest rate movements. In comparison, arbitrage funds can perform well even in downward or an upward trending market. Unlike equity investments where a falling market could lead to losses, arbitrage funds have that flexibility to generate returns as long as there are spreads to exploit. And over the long run, their performance benefits from market fluctuations, making them a relatively low risk choice within the equity fund category. So if you would like to know which one would be a better fit for your portfolio, these are some metrics that you should definitely look at before you invest.